Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Liz of Chicago Law Luxury Makeup. Today we are doing the House of Sillage Diamond Mystery Vault unboxing. It just came in the mail. If you saw my last House of Sillage video, I said that I had ordered it and it should be here and I didn't know when it would show up. It has shown up. And I'm about to open it and I'm so excited. I'm really, really excited because I have no idea what's in it, but there's supposed to be at least $2,000 worth of product in here. So we're going to see if that holds true. During the unboxing, I won't be giving the prices, but when I go back in and edit it, I will put the prices up above as to how much everything cost, and we'll see if I got my money's worth. So let's start. All right, this is the box. It is very big. And we're just gonna start taking stuff out. All right, so first we got just like a advertisement card about the new Disney House of Sillage perfume and lipstick case holder. And you guys, I love Disney. I love Disney. Huge Disney nerd. So I really, really want the lipstick case, but it has a red lipstick that comes with it. And I'm not that big of a red lipstick person, which is why I haven't gotten it yet. And then it gives you a little card on the limited lipstick case instructions on how to put it in. So that is nice. And then just like a little thank you card for shopping. And then you do get a little bitty sample of their new Mickey and Minnie collection fragrance. So there you go. So I will get to smell that. Maybe I will like that and I can get that. All right, so it comes completely wrapped in bubble wrap, which is good. And then here's the box. So it is really big and it comes with a beautiful bow. I'll probably have to put it on the floor because I'm not even sure if you can see my face right now. All right, so when you open it, there is a little sticker here. So we'll take that off. All right. So it's a little flap here. And then when you open it, there are all the goodies. There's a lot to unbox here. All right, so it's wrapped with tissue paper and a little sticker. And then again, everything is wrapped in the inside. So we will start with this. This is the Trend number 10. It's a perfume and travel spray. So you get 1 travel spray and 2 refills. Now, as I said in my last video, I've never purchased any of their perfumes, nor have I smelled them. So I don't, other than the ones that came in my last, like my free sample, I've never smelled their perfumes before. So this is what the travel spray looks like. It's like a little corset. And then inside of it, there is a little travel size spray. And then you get an additional one. So there you go. So that is the first product that I took out. We have 1 travel size sprayer, well I guess 2, and then the holder. All right, so this is, I think these are lipsticks. So we're gonna hold off on these. All right, we got more perfume. This is the Trend number 5, and it's the same setup as before, where you get the holder and then the 2 perfumes. So I'm just going to take out the holder, and this one is like palms. like very green. And again, this is trend number 5. I'm excited to smell these, but I don't want to, I don't want to spray them all at once because I'm in a very small room and it would just be too much smell. All right, we got another trend. This is trend number 2. So let's see what this holder looks like. All right, and so this one is camo. So again, same thing. You get the holder and then you get 2 of these. All right, so far we have trend number 2, trend number 5, and trend number 10. All right, we have more. This is trend number 9, Big City Dreams. This is a lot of perfume. I mean, I don't think there's any way I could possibly ever use all this perfume. So this is the holder for this one. It's like the New York City skyline. All right, now we've got another one. We've got the trend number 7. And so this one is like a dark blue, royal blue. There we go. That's trend number 7. So all in all, so far I have 5 of the trend perfumes. Okay. What is this? This is the Cherry Garden Rose Travel Spray Perfume. Oh, this is beautiful. All right, so this is what it looks like. So we have the travel size carrier. And it's, I mean, this is really, really, really pretty. It's pink. It's got all of the, it has Swarovski crystals. And then there's a pink crystal right there on top. And then inside of it, you've got 1 travel spray. And then you have the 3 samples, or the 3 additional travel size to go in it. This holder is stunning. It is so pretty. So, so pretty. And then you've got like, it came with like a little, I don't know, what do you call this thing? A cleaning cloth. More lipsticks. I will open all the lipsticks at the end. Okay, so now we have a House of Sillage perfume set. All right, so there are 10 travel size perfume sprays in here, and I want to say that this is their signature, all of their signature collection, a travel size for each fragrance. So that is exciting. I mean, I have more fragrance than I possibly will know what to do with. All right, and then we have this. This is the Whispers in the Garden, which I actually just got this. So I'm not even going to open this because this might, this will make a good gift for somebody because this is, I don't want to open it. So we're not going to open it. All right, so now this is their perfume, a full-size perfume. So you open it. It is a little, the cupcake fell, I think. It definitely fell. It was on its side. But here is the cupcake, and this is Emerald Rain. So I have never smelt this. I have read about it and heard other people. So I'm not sure that this is going to be a fragrance that I like. Yeah, it's not. It is way too like spicy, nutty for me. So this, but it is gorgeous. I mean, this is absolutely beautiful with all of the crystals. But this won't be a fragrance that I wear. It is it's just not not my scent, but that is, you know, kind of the thing with a mystery box. You don't know what fragrance you're going to get. All right. And then last we've got the lipstick, the Bow. So, ooh, I snuck a peek as to what color it was, and I'm excited. All right, so we're gonna open it up, and then in here you have got the white leather holder, and then when you open this up, you've got the white felt bag, and then you guys, it's pink. I love pink. I love pink. Now I know that these have a retail value of $198. So there they are. They're empty on the inside. But I do have 2 boxes of refills. I think I got 8 total lipsticks. Okay, so I've got 2 boxes here that each contain lipsticks. So we are going to look at the colors here. We've got Duke, The Crown, Royal Seduction, and Royal Balm. And then in the second box, we have Baroness, Princess, Duchess, and Queen. So let's take a look at these. So none of these colors are shades that I picked out on my own in my previous purchase. So these are going to be all new shades to me. That's not to say that I would wear them all, because I think they're going to be a little red. Oh my God, that's red. All right, so this is Queen, and that is definitely red. This one is Duchess. And that looks like a color I would definitely wear. It's kind of like a mauve-y pink. That I would wear. The next one is Princess. Oh, that's pink. That is pink. I probably would not wear Princess. I mean, that is pink. All right, and for the last one in this box is Baroness. And it's just a nude color. I would wear this. So we're batting 50 for this box of shades that I would wear. Not bad. Not bad. All right, this next box. Duke. Let's see what Duke is all about. Again, that's probably a color I would wear. It looks like a nice brownie shade. Definitely looks like a shade for me. And then Royal Balm. This looks like it's going to be, just based on that, a red. But because it's a balm, it's going to be pretty sheer. And I might be able to do that. So I would at least try this one. So there's the red. This one I would definitely try. I think it's really pretty. It's more of a cool toned red, I think. And I would try this one. All right, the next one is Royal Seduction. This one looks like a shade that I probably would wear also. I don't know what I'm going to do with all these new lipsticks and new perfumes. That one came out the wrong end. All right, so this one actually is more red than I thought. I might try it. We'll see if I get a little brave. All right, and last but not least, we have The Crown. And this one looks like it's going to be a pink shade. And then I am really curious to smell these, the perfumes. Let's see if there are any that I would like. I am disappointed in the full-size one that I got. I wish I had gotten a different flavor. But I do know that when I watched some of the other unboxings, everyone had gotten this fragrance, so I pretty much expected it. All right, so this is The Crown. And that one's almost like a coral color. So that looks like a shade I might try. We'll have to see. All right, so all in all, the lipstick shades, there's only a few that I wouldn't wear, so that's good. Like I said, I probably won't even spray this. I just know, just by reading the description, and just when I took the cap off, it wasn't something that I would use. These trends, I have no idea. I don't know anything about them. So I'm just going to spray this one. This is trend number 9, Big City Dreams. Sweet. Maybe. I'll try it. I'll spray it and see if my husband likes it. You know, it's definitely sweet. Very, very sweet. I mean, I like sweet, but that's really, really sweet. So we'll see. But all right, so that is my whole unboxing. This was the Diamond Mystery Vault. Now, they did have one. So they had a Diamond Mystery Vault in, like, for Cyber Monday. The same price, the same value, different products. Totally different products. They, instead of getting multiple of these, of the trend perfume sets, they had gotten like a lot of body oil, lotion, shower gel, that kind of stuff. And then this one was launched on New Year's Day. So I kind of was hoping that it was the same stuff, but I'm not mad. I still got a beautiful, beautiful bow case. Like I'm really, really happy with the pink. I think it's really pretty. I do like the lipstick shades. Now I have more lipsticks than I possibly know what to do with. I do have a concern. So I have a question for all of you. If you have some of these lipsticks, how do you store them? I'm assuming I just keep them in here and then switch them out. I mean, that's what I'm going to do, but I don't know if there's a better way to store them. So there's that. And then this travel perfume bottle is gorgeous. Like, I mean, this is really, really pretty. And I really want to smell the rose because I like rose, but I still smell that other one, but we're going to do it. I like it. It's nice. I really like it. I would probably wear this one more than the trend number 9. So all in all, I'm very happy with the purchase. Like I said, this was a mystery vault. You don't know what you're going to get. I will tally up the price of everything that I got and we'll see if it was worth it. I'm not going to do that now. I'll just leave it somewhere up there so that you can see for next year, you know, if this is something that you would be interested in. I don't know if I would do it again next year, only because I have so much, but we'll see. We'll see how I feel. I love mystery boxes. I'm such a sucker for them. I really am, because I like the anticipation. So that is all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of this mystery box. I would love to hear your comments down below if you've tried any of these products and what your favorite is. If you have not already subscribed, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. And with that, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it.